Get excited about the 2017 Ford F-250. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a trailer hitch, and much more. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.